in order to better serve customers. In July 2022, DERSUN set up branch company DEMAO. It covers an area of 26,000 square meters. Committed to metal stamping servers, especially in bulk production of metal parts. With more than 30 punch presses. Punching tonnage from 25 tons to 630 tons. DERSUN produces a variety of high-precision metal stamping parts which made from copper, copper alloy, brass, stainless steel and coated materials. Stamping components such as covers and poles for new technology batteries, hinge systems, fasteners, brackets for automotive parts, pins, terminals and so on. DERSUN values every customer's need, from initial contact through to the punctual delivery of completed solutions, and we never stop improving product quality. Currently, customers are from Europe, North America and Southeast Asia. With wide-ranging design experience, DERSUN team provides 2D and 3D design servers for precision dies. To improve design accuracy, we use StampPack software for in-depth analysis. The whole stamping die accuracy is up to 0.005 mm, with material thickness from 0.05 mm to 6 mm. DERSUN offers our customers a one-stop shop service by combining metal stamping expertise with our stamping shop. Thanks for your watching.